Hello guys, welcome back JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar. In this video we will talk about how we can uninstall the JDK via Homebrew. In the MacBook. So let's get started. So first open the terminal. So in the previous video I have already covered the how we can install the JDK via Homebrew. So if you did not watch that video till now, I will provide the link in the description so you can watch it from here. So let's start. So firstly, let's verify which Java version it is installed in this machine currently. So JDK, OpenJDK 24 it is installed in this machine. So whatever the version in your machine it is installed, so that version if you want to delete and install the latest version, so you can do that. So in my case the JDK for 24 it is installed, so I am going to uninstall via using the homebrew. So for that we need to execute homebrew command. So brew uninstall open JDK at the rate 24, because the 20 in my machine 24 JDK open JDK 24 version it is installed, so I am going to uninstall that version. So just hit that enter. So now uninstalling all the Java related things. So open JDK uninstall successfully. Let's verify Java version. Now it is showing or the operation could not be complete, unable to locate the Java runtime. That means it is uninstalled successfully. So from this video that's it. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.